Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa May 5, 2021 Wednesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started investing in the stock market, the Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this report every day, which I started of August of last year. Nire-report ko rin po ang latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment in the comment box and I will prioritize. Petron Financials po ang ating balita, kasama ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw. May 5, 2021 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From the business world, Petron earns 1.7 billion, says oil refining back in June 2021. Petron Corp said on Tuesday that its first quarter consolidated net income hit 1.73 billion, swinging from losses of 4.9 billion year-on-year, despite a decline in the number of oil barrels sold and lower revenues. In a press release, the country's biggest oil refinery said that its end March profit was higher than 1.2 billion earned in the fourth quarter last year. First quarter volume reached 19.38 million barrels, 21% lower than the 24.66 million barrels sold in the same period last year, while consolidated revenues decreased 20% to 83.3 billion from 104.62 billion a year ago, said the listed company which refines and markets oil in the Philippines. Petron, also a leading participant in the Malaysian market, noted an improvement in its January-March sales compared with the average in the fourth quarter last year, but it said its sales performance reflected the demand destruction brought about by the global health emergency. Petron said its parent company San Miguel Corp is spending nearly 1 billion for its Ligtas Lahat vaccination program, which aims to inoculate 70,000 SMC employees and the extended workforce. So that's our news on Petron Corporation, and may I share with you the commentary of BDO Nomura on that news item. Ang sabi niya, PCOR's results were in line with our expectations for the period as well as its budgeted capex for the year. It should be noted that the consolidated net income figure provided does not take into account preferred share dividends, subordinated capital distributions, and minority interests, which exceed 3 billion per annum. We have a reduced recommendation on the stock given continued margin volatility, soft volumes, which we believe may take some time to improve given an uneven global rollout of the COVID-19 vaccination. And BDO Nomura's target price for Petron is at 3 pesos. Recommendation is to reduce because the price now is at 3.50. So later on we will be reviewing Petron as we do the most active stocks. In the meantime, let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSE index moved downwards, lost 59.46 points or 0.94% to end at 6299.69. It's holding its support at this level. Actually, the nearest support is 62.30, no? Pero support area pa rin po ito, yung 62.99 99 or 6300 is the support area. 6230 is the next support, but it is still within that area. As for the market summary, 114 companies declined, 92 advanced, 1243 remained unchanged. The all-share index also lost 0.62%, while all sectors were in the red, except for mining, which gained 1.27 points, or 1.27%. As for the most active stocks, let's review PCOR, Ali, ACEN, SM, SMPH, MEG, ICT, BDO, and Green. So those are the top 10 stocks except for PCOR. So let's start with Petron. Petron had been moving up in the past few days, and support was here at 3 to 3.07. The next support level of Petron is at 3.70 to 3.80. Nagkaroon siya ng profit taking po today, but the stock is bullish as the RSI is at 65, and our moving averages are below the candlesticks, which would indicate a bullish momentum on the stock. So it ended at 347, losing 3 centavos only. However, kung titignan niyo po ang analysis ni BDO Nomura, reduce po siya dito. 3 pesos po yung kanyang valuation for Petron Corporation, kung paniniwalaan niyo po si BDO Nomura. Next is Ayala Land. Ayala Land had been the top most active stock in the past weeks. So it gained 15 centavos, not much, but support is holding. This is support level actually, in 31.80 to 32 pesos. Yan po ang support. And bearish po ang sentiment ng presyo ng Ali. RSI is at 35.22. After that, ACEN. Okay, ACEN continues to move sideways, losing 7 centavos to end at 682. Kung gagawa po tayo ng Darvas box dito, napakanipis lang po yung support and resistance niya. So from here, dyan lang po siya naglalaro. The upper limit, which is the resistance, is at 790 to 8 pesos, while the support is from 660 to 670. Diyan lang po naglalaro yung AC Energy. In general, it is moving sideways. Bearish to sideways po. And then RRHI. Robinson's Retail. Bearish pa rin siya, no? Ended with the red candlestick, losing 30 centavos, or almost 0.5% or more than 0.5%. RSI is at 39. Bearish. Meron po siyang dividend, 83 centavos. The other one presumably is a special dividend, so 1.83 or 1 peso and 83 centavos to be given on June 10. Ang kanyang support is holding here at 50.90 to 51 pesos. Bearish po ang sentiment ni RRHI. Pero maganda pong stock ito eh. So napakababa na po ito. Sa akin, it's time to buy. Yan po ang aking opinion dyan. And then SM lost 9 centavos. It's at 951 pesos. Nasa support level po si SM. Yan pong support level niya is 951. 950 to 951. Meron po siyang dividend na 4.25 per share to be given on May 27. Pero ang ex-date niya is May 10. So bearish po ang sentiment ni SM since our indicators are above the candlestick and RSI is bearish at 40. Then after SM, SMPH. Okay, SMPH also lost 55 centavos. Resting at support, it's at 33.60 to 33.70 po ang support niya, with meron po siyang dividend payment of 8.2 centavos per share to be given on May 19. Ex-date is April 30. Tapos na po, no? Tapos na po yung ex-date niya. So, payment date is May 19. Bearish po si SM. And then MEG. Okay, MEG also ended down, losing 6 centavos. Support level pa rin po ito. Actually, this is support already. The next support level before that, below that, is at 280 to 3 pesos. Or 280 to 290. Well, 3 pesos is still within the support level. So bearish po ang kanyang sentiment since our indicators are above the price. And then ICT. Okay, ICT ended with a red candlestick. Pero ang masasabi ko lang po dito ay bullish pa rin siya since the closing price is still above the EMA 20, 50, and 100. Yung EMA 20 po natin is 123.89, which is lower than the present closing price of 128.50. So bullish pa rin po since our indicators are under the candlesticks. RSI is at a, bullish at 53. So yun po ang aking take for ICT. And then BDO. BDO I think ended flat. O nga, ended flat at 104.80. And from the formation of the candlestick, it's moving sideways. Kung Darvas box po ang pag-usapan natin, yan po yung level ng movement ni BDO with upper level, the resistance at 107, near resistance is 107, and near support is 100 to 101. Moving sideways po, CBDO. And finally, green. Okay, green, from the formation of the candlestick, it's moving sideways with our indicators, the EMA 50 and EMA 20 are piercing through the candlestick. Yun po ang indication ng sideways movement. However, the RSI is bullish at 76 because our 100-day or long-term indicator is still under the candlestick. So let's place our support at EMA 100 at 3.44. Yan po ang support. Resistance is at 390 to 4 pesos. Yan po ang green. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market Miyerkules, May 5, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, reminding you, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong pag-subscribe. See you again in our next episode. Hanggang sa muli. Bye for now.